Hello everyone, I am Vishal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into part 5 of my video series. If you missed out previous parts, no worries, I have uploaded it yesterday and you can check it out before or after this one. Let's start with the question number 21. It is given that the sum of n terms of two APs are in the ratio 3n plus 8 ratio 7n plus 15. So we have to find out the ratio of their 12th term. So हमें क्या गिवन है यहाँ पर, हमें टू एपीज गिवन है, कितनी, टू. सो लेट द फर्स्ट एपी इज a1 comma a2 comma dot dot, and the second AP is b1 comma b2 comma dot dot. Now given that the sum of n terms of first AP and second AP और उनका रेशियो क्या गिवन है, 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. So here Sn upon Sn dash is equal to 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15, and we have to find out T12 upon T dash 12 is equal to what. Now put the formula of Sn here. Sn is n by 2, 2a is a1 here plus n minus 1 into d1. d1 is the common difference of sequence first. n by 2 b1 plus b1 is the first term of the second AP, n minus 1 into d2. d2 is the common difference of second AP. Okay, so 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. So n by 2 cancel out. After taking 2 common out from the numerator and denominator, you will get a1 plus n minus 1 upon 2 b1. Here you will get 2 b1 plus n minus 1 upon 2 into d2, which is equal to 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. Now 2 से 2 cancel out. Here you will get a1 plus n minus 1 upon 2. So T12 is equal to, we know a plus 11 n minus 1 मतलब 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 into d. So if we put n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 11, we will get our 12th term of first AP and second AP. So we put n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 11. After solving this, we will get n is equal to 23. Put the value of n in equation 1. So we will get a1 plus 11 d1 upon b1 plus 11 d2 is equal to 3 into 23 plus 8 upon 7 into 23 plus 15, which is equal to 69 plus 8 upon 7 3s are 21 and 16 plus 15, which is equal to 77 upon 176, 11 7s are 77 and 16. So this is nothing but 12th term of first AP, and this is nothing but 12th term of second AP, and their ratio will be 7 upon 16. So correct option is 7 upon 16. Option D is correct. Now come to the question number 22. Here given that 9 to the power 1 by 3, 9 to the power 1 by 9 into 9 to the power 1 by 27 up to infinity. So since this number is same and this number in multiplication, so power will be add. So we will get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 7 plus dot dot infinite. As you can see, this is an infinite GP sequence because their common ratio is same. So the sum of infinite GP sequence is S infinity is equal to A upon 1 minus R, where R is common ratio. So we will find R firstly. So R is 1 upon 9 upon 1 upon 3. So 1 and 3 will move to numerator. So 3 upon 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. And A is 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3 upon 2 by 3. So 3 upon 2 into 3, so is equal to 1 upon 2. So infinite sum will be 1 upon 2. Now put the value of this sum, which is equal to 1 upon 2 here. So you will get 3 to the power 2. We can write 9 as 3 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 2. 2 से 2 cancel out, you will get 3. So our correct answer is C. Now come to the question number 23. Given that the total number of ancestors, that is parents, grandparents, great grandparents and so on, that a person has during the 10th generation preceding his own is. So it means you have to find out the total number of ancestors after the 10th generation. So here you can see what is question asked is, suppose this is you and this is your parents, this is your mother and this is your father. Now father has also his mother and father, and mother is also has her mother and father. तो फर्स्ट जनरेशन में कितने थे टोटल 2, एंड सेकेंड में कितने हो गए 4. ऐसे ही थर्ड जनरेशन में कितने हो जाएंगे 8. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हियर, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट 2 प्लस 4 प्लस 8 प्लस 16 प्लस डॉट 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 कहाँ तक 10th जनरेशन तक. इट मीन्स n इज इक्वल टू क्या हो गया, a इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म इज 2, common ratio will be 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 and n is equal to 10. Now you have to find out S10. S10 will be a into r to the power 10 minus 1 upon r minus 1. Here we use the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So you will get a is equal to 2 to the power 10 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 2 to the power 10 minus 1. Now after solving this you will get it is equal to 2046, which is option D. So our option D is correct. Now come to the question number 24. It is given that in an HP, if the fourth term is 2 times the 8th term, the first term of the HP will be. हमें क्या निकालना है, फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ द HP will be, मतलब हमें फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ HP A की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ओके, नाउ वी विल यूज द रिजल्ट दैट, लेट कर लो, लेट 1 upon P and 1 upon Q are fourth and 8th term of HP. ओके, सो यहाँ से क्या इम्प्लाई कर सकते हो आप कि P and Q are the fourth and 8th term of AP, because HP is the reciprocal of AP. Okay, now since P is the fourth term of the AP, so P is equal to A plus 3D and Q is the 8th term of the AP, so Q is equal to A plus 7D. Okay, now it is given that fourth term is 2 times its 8th term of HP. Remember this, of HP. This implies 1 upon A plus 3D is equal to 2 upon A plus 7D. Now after solving this, you will get A plus 7D is equal to 2A plus 6D, and you will get A is equal to D. Now the nth term of HP, is equal to 1 upon A plus n minus 1 into D. Since A and D are equal, it will become 1 upon An. So nth term of HP is equal to 1 upon A is first term upon n. So first term is nothing but n into nth term. It means if you have 7 into 7th term, which is equal to first term, 8 into 8th term is equal to first term, 9 into 9th term is equal to first term. So check the options. 7 times the 7th term. What is the option D is? It is written as 7 into 7th term. So it will become our first term by this condition. First term is n into nth term. So n can be any term. So we will put n is equal to 7 here. So you will get D option is correct. Now come to the question number 25. Question number 25 is, if 1 square plus 2 square plus dot dot n square is equal to 4900, then what is the value of n? Here you can use the result. Result is summation n square is equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 4900. Okay, now we will use the method of hidden trial. Here put the different values of n and check whether we will get 4900. That will be our correct answer. So put n is equal to 24. N is equal to 24. You will get 24 into 25 into 2 into 24, 48 into 49 upon 6. 6 for the 24 and 25 for the 100 into 49, which is equal to 4900. So our correct option is option B. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching the video.